Shadowing practice. Ready to sound more natural talking about your daily life at home?
Here's how it works. First, you'll listen to all 50 daily routine sentences. Then, we'll shadow and repeat each one twice to lock it in your memory. Ready? Let's begin.
I make my bed every morning.
She washes the dishes after dinner.
He drinks coffee in the kitchen.
We watch TV together in the evening.
They clean the house on weekends.
I take a shower before breakfast.
She cooks breakfast for her family.
He reads the newspaper after waking up.
We eat dinner at 7 p.m.
They do the laundry on Sundays.
I sweep the floor every day.
She waters the plants in the morning.
He takes out the trash before leaving.
We set the table for meals.
They vacuum the carpet weekly.
I brush my teeth twice a day.
She folds the clothes after washing.
He mops the kitchen floor.
We feed the pets in the morning.
They organize the bookshelf.
I boil water for tea.
She cuts vegetables for dinner.
He fixes the broken chair.
We wash our hands before eating.
They hang the wet clothes to dry.
I iron my clothes on weekends.
She bakes cookies in the afternoon.
He changes the light bulb.
We wipe the windows clean.
They pack lunch for school.
I dust the furniture regularly.
She sweeps the porch every morning.
He waters the garden in the evening.
We sort the recycling properly.
They clean the bathroom daily.
I prepare breakfast quickly.
She tidies up the living room.
He checks the mail every day.
We wash the car on weekends.
They plant flowers in spring.
I empty the dishwasher after use.
She polishes the silverware.
He trims the bushes outside.
We arrange the cushions on the sofa.
They wash the windows monthly.
I store groceries in the pantry.
She makes fresh lemonade.
He repairs the leaky faucet.
We separate clothes by color.
They decorate the house for holidays.
Shadowing time. Listen and speak right after.
I make my bed every morning. I make my bed every morning.
She washes the dishes after dinner. She washes the dishes after dinner.
He drinks coffee in the kitchen. He drinks coffee in the kitchen.
We watch TV together in the evening. We watch TV together in the evening.
They clean the house on weekends. They clean the house on weekends.
I take a shower before breakfast. I take a shower before breakfast.
She cooks breakfast for her family. She cooks breakfast for her family.
He reads the newspaper after waking up. He reads the newspaper after waking up.
We eat dinner at 7 p.m. We eat dinner at 7 p.m.
They do the laundry on Sundays. They do the laundry on Sundays.
I sweep the floor every day. I sweep the floor every day.
She waters the plants in the morning. She waters the plants in the morning.
He takes out the trash before leaving. He takes out the trash before leaving.
We set the table for meals. We set the table for meals.
They vacuum the carpet weekly. They vacuum the carpet weekly.
I brush my teeth twice a day. I brush my teeth twice a day.
She folds the clothes after washing. She folds the clothes after washing.
He mops the kitchen floor. He mops the kitchen floor.
We feed the pets in the morning. We feed the pets in the morning.
They organize the bookshelf. They organize the bookshelf.
I boil water for tea. I boil water for tea.
She cuts vegetables for dinner. She cuts vegetables for dinner.
He fixes the broken chair. He fixes the broken chair.
We wash our hands before eating. We wash our hands before eating.
They hang the wet clothes to dry. They hang the wet clothes to dry.
I iron my clothes on weekends. I iron my clothes on weekends.
She bakes cookies in the afternoon. She bakes cookies in the afternoon.
He changes the light bulb. He changes the light bulb.
We wipe the windows clean. We wipe the windows clean.
They pack lunch for school. They pack lunch for school.
I dust the furniture regularly. I dust the furniture regularly.
She sweeps the porch every morning. She sweeps the porch every morning.
He waters the garden in the evening. He waters the garden in the evening.
We sort the recycling properly. We sort the recycling properly.
They clean the bathroom daily. They clean the bathroom daily.
I prepare breakfast quickly. I prepare breakfast quickly.
She tidies up the living room. She tidies up the living room.
He checks the mail every day. He checks the mail every day.
We wash the car on weekends. We wash the car on weekends.
They plant flowers in spring. They plant flowers in spring.
I empty the dishwasher after use. I empty the dishwasher after use.
She polishes the silverware. She polishes the silverware.
He trims the bushes outside. He trims the bushes outside.
We arrange the cushions on the sofa. We arrange the cushions on the sofa.
They wash the windows monthly. They wash the windows monthly.
I store groceries in the pantry. I store groceries in the pantry.
She makes fresh lemonade. She makes fresh lemonade.
He repairs the leaky faucet. He repairs the leaky faucet.
We separate clothes by color. We separate clothes by color.
They decorate the house for holidays. They decorate the house for holidays.
Well done! Speak English with confidence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell on our YouTube channel, English Lesson and Quiz.